In this video, I'm gonna show you this amazing tool that helped me to write hundreds of documentation pages in only few minutes. It saves me time and ultimately money. So just stick with me and let's dive in. A couple of days ago, I got this email requesting me to perform this task. So I thought, how can I use AI to perform that? And guess what? First thing that came to my mind? ChatGPT. But then I thought, wait, if I need to write everything on ChatGPT, I must just write directly on Notion. So it was when came to my mind this new functionality from ChatGPT, the voice chat. If you haven't heard about it yet, OpenAI has recently launched this new tool. You can select different types of voice, like those ones.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started.
And you can also have a normal conversation with it. And I tell you something, if you are used to Alexa or Siri, this new technology is gonna blow your mind. It's called Whisper, and it basically recognizes every single word you say, regardless of the accent you have. I say this from my own experience. It recognizes every single word I said in English. Plus, it also speaks many other languages like those ones.
If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In Spanish, si te gusta este video, por favor no olvides suscrever-te al canal. Em Brasil e Português, se você gosta deste vídeo, por favor não esqueça de se inscrever no canal. In Chinese, 如果你喜欢这个视频，请不要忘记订阅频道。
I just love the Brazilian accent. And I hope the Chinese one is also correct. So that's exactly what I did. Hey chat, I need to document my sales process in a markdown format and I need you to help me with it.
Sure thing. Let's start. What key steps do you want to include in your sales process documentation?
Alright, the first step is the lead. After 24 minutes and just some adjustments from my side, I had all the documentation done. If I hadn't used this tool, I'm confident I would have spent at least 2 hours on the same task. So if you like this video, you can check some of these videos here too. There I'm gonna teach you also some other productivity tricks that's gonna help you in your professional and personal life. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.